candles in life's uncertain stream, a sudden silent ending like a forgotten dream. The news it traveled quickly, a devastating blow, leaving hearts so empty with nowhere left to go. Oh, 42 angels taken from the earth. We feel the weight of your passing, measure your worth in the love you left behind, in the memory so deep. While the world weeps for you, may your spirits gently sleep. The sirens wail a sorrow tune, a painful sad refrain, washing over families like a cold and bitter rain. Empty chairs at tables, a silence loud and deep, while a nation pours its love out, while its loved ones are asleep. But in this your struggle, we must find a higher ground. Let the love and the memories forever bound. Though the vessel is broken, the spirit it flies free, rising on the rhythm to a better destiny. Oh, 42 angels, yes, we remember so much worth. We feel the weight of your passing, measure your worth in the love you left behind, in the memory so deep. While the world weeps for you, may your spirits gently sleep. 42 stars in the sky tonight, shining ever so bright. Rest in perfect peace, rest in power. One love always, beat an organ chord, fade out completely.